HVAC system. As we have discussed in the past, several components of our HVAC system that make that up. Of course, we have our air handler, which is simulated in this situation by this blower fan right here. And I have hooked up to it a 90-degree elbow, okay? So we know that sheet metal is used to create our rigid duct work. We use duct tape to seal up the joints. In this instance, I have attached a damper as my second piece here, okay? Our damper for our air distribution system can restrict or reduce by basically having a metal door inside of our flexible or solid ductwork, right? Okay, open and close, right? So that is the purpose of our damper, often hooked up to a zoning system, which is controlled by its own thermostat. Again, we have our elbow pieces, and these are flexible. So if you need to make them straight, you can. If you need to turn them 22.5 degrees, you can. 45 degrees, you can. We can also turn them into a 90-degree fitting rather easily to make those turns. Again, when we are attaching our ductwork, one end has to be smaller to overlap, all right? And this is where we would apply our duct tape to be able to effectively seal that seam. Code has gotten a little bit more restrictive in the past 10 years, and there's a special type of mastic that they are requiring you to use on solid ductwork for sealing it. Again, our air distribution system is primarily coming from our air handler through our ductwork, all right? And again, we have a variety of different types of ductwork. If we've got to make a change where the air is going, we can use this Y, so named because it looks like the letter Y, but spelled W-Y-E, okay? So if we need to make a directional change in our ductwork for where our air distribution is going to go, we can do that very easily. Again, when we are going to be turning this on for our airflow, all right, depending on what's going on with our damper, closed, open, and if we're trying to analyze our air distribution output, one tool that we can use is called the anemometer. Anemometer, all right, and it has a little fan right here. That's going to give us a reading for wind speed and nautical miles per hour. And this will also take temperature, all right? So if we need to assess the temperature output of our airflow, this tool will allow us to do that within our air distribution system, okay?